Hello everyone. This video is for Armstrong rule, which is a part of normalization. So first we talk about normalization. Normalization is a process of organizing data into database to avoid redundancy. Redundancy means duplicacy of data, like insert anomaly, delete anomaly, and update anomaly. So Armstrong rules. Armstrong inference rules. So our main motive to infer many functionality or many infer we have to infer many rules from our database, many functional dependency from our database. So our first rule is reflexive rule. Reflexive rule says that if y is a subset of x, then x determines y. X determines y. If x determines y, so we can say that x determines x and y determines y. Now our second rule is augmentation rule. Augmentation rule says that if x determines y, then xz determines yz. This z is the another variable we have put on both the sides, or we have augment on both the sides. So this is augmentation rule. Now our third rule is transitive rule. Transitive rule says that if x determines y and y determines z, then x determines z. So these are Armstrong rules. These rules form sound and complete set of inference rule. So we can infer many functional dependencies from our database. Now under which there are certain rules also, like decomposition rule. Decomposition rule says that if x determines yz, then x determines y and x determines z. So we have decomposed these two, yz. X determines y and x determines z. Now in union rule we have combined these two variables yz, like x determines y and y determines z, so x determines yz. So decomposition rule and union rule are inversion of each other. Now our next rule is pseudo transitive rule. Pseudo transitive rule: if x determines y and wy determines z, then wx determines z. So these rules are closure of set of f. F is a function that fd's functionality dependency is a set of f positive of all functional fd's that can be inferred from the function f. So this function is from a database from where we infer many functional dependencies from these rules. So these rules are only to infer many functional dependencies to say that our database is in normal form or is in uh, dependent form. So thanks friends for watching this video. Please subscribe it.